Okay, let's go ahead and go to the modules page. And let's do a search for media. Just looping through the matches. Okay, we're now on media version beta 4. Now remember that we were upgrading in order to see if it solved the issue that we are having on the media page when we switched to the thumbnail view and got a fatal error that we couldn't get out of. Let's go ahead and go back to that page and see if the error is still there. I'm going to go ahead and go to Content in the Admin toolbar, and then I'm going to click Media. Okay, we're still getting this fatal error, cannot access empty property. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page just to make sure that we're not pulling from the browser cache, and that didn't make any changes. So I'm going to go back a couple pages until we get to a page that we can work with. And let's go ahead and flush our caches. As a next step, let's go ahead and see if clearing our caches has any effect. I'm going to go to Configuration in the Admin toolbar, and then Performance under Development. And again, at the very top is this Clear All Caches button. Go ahead and click that. It may take a moment in order to clear the caches completely. And then when we see the caches cleared message, we can go back to Content and then Media again. Okay, we're still getting the fatal error, and there's no way to get out of it right now.